Hi! In front of me is laptop Yoga Smart Tab YT-X705F, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down right away to access Security. Now click on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Following that, select Continue in the pop-up. Then continue in another, this time attention one. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select Done and manage those two options however you want to. When you finished, just go back. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!